Welcome. In front of me is a TCL TAB Max, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this tablet through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove things like screen lock. So if you have set a screen lock that you don't remember, you can get rid of it this way. Now I will warn you beforehand that it removes screen locks, but it does not remove things like Google account. So if your device has a screen lock and Google account, the device after reset will become FRP locked, meaning you will need to confirm relog in to your Google account to unlock it, which I will also have a video afterwards on how to bypass this if you're interested. But anyway, I'm going to quickly lock the device so you can see I do have a pattern set. So there we go. And to get started, all you need to do is hold the power key, select power off, and once the tablet turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. Now you'll hold it for a couple of seconds and you should start to see the TCL logo on the screen. There we go, and after like 2-3 seconds you can let go of those keys. This will take you to the recovery mode. So in here, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data, factory reset, and then confirm it using power key. And select factory data reset. At the bottom you'll see wiping data, and then last thing you can see a little bit under the sticker is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again. This will initiate a reboot and continue the process in the background. So this will probably take like 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your tablet however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.